Here is the step-by-step guide to performing it correctly. Setup. Equipment. A cable machine with a rope attachment is the gold standard. Position. Adjust the pulley to roughly head or eye height. Stance. Stand with your feet hip-width apart or use a split stance, 1 foot forward, 1 back, if you struggle with balance. Keep your core braced and knees slightly bent. Don't row it. Avoid pulling toward your chest or clavicle, which turns it into a row. If you feel it primarily in your lats or lower back, your anchor point might be too low, or your elbows are too low. Control the momentum. Do not use your body weight to swing or jerk the cable. If you have to lean back significantly to move the weight, it is likely too heavy. Quality over quantity. Think of this as a movement to improve your posture and shoulder health. Treat each repetition with intention, focusing on the mind-muscle connection with your rear shoulders. Kneeling variation. If you find you are struggling to keep your torso stable, perform the exercise from a half-kneeling position. This fixes your body in place and forces your shoulders to do all the work.